Hi everyone, Ray again. Check it out. I've made an aluminum sign for Escagedo Woodworking. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in the description of this video, so be sure to check him out. Eloy was the lucky recipient of my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I know, that was like 2,500 subscribers ago, but I just had a chance to finish it. He was nominated as the lucky recipient, and it was to make a sign of a logo of your choice. This was his logo. Yeah, it was actually quite complicated to do. There were some tough times. What's with all this? Eloy. 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 This is such a mess, Eloy. But in the end, got it all to work out. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I made it. So this is the original artwork that Eloy provided. I had to clean it up and start with something a little bit easier to work with, which was this right here. So once I vectorized it, this is how it came in originally. It was less than ideal to cut out. This is a lot of small areas that it would be very difficult to cut. So once I made the decision just to concentrate on large areas, I was able to create 6 individual layers, as you can see here. We'll zoom in a little bit. One layer for the face and beard, background layer, the smaller circle. There's the larger circle with the lettering, and you can see I went through and made the details of the lettering. Same story here. You can see I missed an O. I'll have to touch that up. The smaller square and then the larger square. So these are the 6 plates I'll need to cut to make the sign. So let's go to the water jet. Alright guys, usually I give you a close-up of the water jet in action, but this time I decided to back it off a little bit. You can see the size of this machine. It's got a 6x12 table, and it's the only thing in this building. That material you saw me putting up, it's going to take 6 feet of this material for Eloy's sign. So let's get started. I bet you want to see how this came out. You want to see a little sneak peek, don't you? I'll show you a little sneak peek. This is what Eloy's sign is beginning to look like. Oh yeah. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that lovely? He's going to love this sign. Alright, here we go. Before we take a look at the front, check it out. It's got 6 layers. Each layer is an aluminum layer. It's been painted white. Well, this is not white. It's almond black, almond black, almond black, and you'll see why that makes more sense when we take a look around. So this whole thing is about 1.5 inches thick. We've got 5 spacers at each bolt location. So that's 30 spacers keeping the sign separated. But here it is. Yes, that was Eloy's logo of choice. You can check out the details of the beard. Let's get a little closer. I'm not going to like that, but you can check out the lettering of the layers. Skull Edition, Escagedo Woodworking. Eloy, I hope you like this sign. It was a ton of fun to make. I think the depth really works out very well. And let's bring up the original artwork. There you have it. That is the original artwork supplied by Eloy to make this sign. It was quite a bit of work to get it to that point, but we got it there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching how this sign got made. It was actually quite a bit of work. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on all my future videos.